Excuse me?
I'm handling the talent, guys. You're gonna be like this, okay?
I worked out.
We're here in the Cafecito Challenge Match 2. And we're going to find out who will be facing Carolina Wakayama in the finals today. That chatter you hear in the background is our contestants. And let's meet them right now. Guys, first we have Samantha. Samantha, do you have any words for your opponent, Raquel, today?
I'm ready. Prepared to lose.
Very strong feelings there. Now, Raquel, do you have any words for Samantha?
I already won.
Intense. So now, we're gonna go ahead and let the contestants do their thing. Go, start. These women had no idea when the challenge was gonna start, but you have to stay ready, so you don't have to get ready. We've been asking people around the office who is going to win this challenge, and they have resoundingly said Raquel. It's not about cleanliness. It's about making the best coffee. We don't make excuses here. We just make coffee. Isn't that right, Raquel?
We make good coffee.
Fantastic. You have to wonder how this competition is going to affect their friendship, whether or not they'll be able to even look each other in the eye after this fierce competition. Tell us how important it is to have patience at this stage of the game.
Extremely. They're full of patience. So I know Raquel is going to lose.
Wow. During this short break, we would like to send a shout out to our sponsor, La Espumita. Because when you're in trouble, you got to go for the bubble. If you listen closely, you could hear the feet tapping. Oh, there. The coffee's coming. This is obviously the most important part of the process. Raquel is a veteran. She is unfiltered by any roadblocks while making this coffee. She has made coffee everywhere, under all circumstances. She is a warrior. The first cup is being poured. Raquel's pouring technique is fantastic. Vamos, venga acá, que tú vas a hacer lo que haces mejor que nada, tomar café. Pero no hasta que te diga yo. Yeah. We have... No, Barbie, Barbie es la que está jugando. We are now ready for the tasting. We've assembled the judges. Kevin Fernandez, one of the best Cafecito tasters in all of Miami-Dade County. Abe, our only returning judge, because he was available. A Cafecito maker herself, she will be judging impartially. Barbara, are you ready to taste?
I am ready.
Perfect. If you could all get the first cup right there. The tension is insurmountable. Okay, round one is done. We are now going straight into round two. You guys may proceed. Get your cups. Kevin, give me a little bit of the difference between the first and the second cup.
They were both very good. Now, the first one was a little bit on the sweeter side, but it was also stronger. The second one wasn't as sweet, but it wasn't as strong. I don't like very sweet coffee, but I like strong coffee, so I would say I'll have to go with the first one.
Wow. I'm so glad you did this. Abe, please give us your assessment of both cups.
First cup was super hot, but it was a lot stronger. Second cup went down smoother, but I'm more on the sweeter side of coffee. I like more of the sweeter side, so I would go with number one.
Barbara, can you give us your assessment of both cafecitos?
I have a question.
Of course.
Are we judging the cafeteras or are we judging the coffee makers?
Just the end result.
So, number one.
One sweeps. Marked. With that, Raquel has advanced to the finals. It will be Raquel versus Carolina. Raquel, can you come over here? Raquel, how does it feel to absolutely devastate Samantha?
Wow.
I love you, Samantha.
Wow. I just had her coffee and that's good coffee.
No, come again?
Amazing.
It's great coffee.
That was great coffee.
With that, the rest of the office will now rejoice and celebrate drinking the coffee of both the winner and the loser. And we are going to move into the finals. Spectacular.